And today what I'm going to be showing you is the PetSnowy self-cleaning litter box. Probably the most advanced litter box you're going to find. This thing is amazing. But I want you to stick around and watch this video because I'm not just going to tell you it's great. I'm going to show you how it works, how to set it up, how the bags work, and we're actually going to test it out as well. So if you have a little feline friend that you love so dearly, and you want to make your life and their life so much easier, then this is a great option. The first thing I'm going to show you is what all it comes with. It comes with the litter box, which is fully assembled and pretty much ready to go. You just have to plug it in and put in the litter mat. And they do give you a nice litter mat. It's a nice soft silicone. You're going to get 2 air freshener pods. That's right, this has a little fan in there. It'll pull out the bad odor and freshen the air, and it also has a little UV light inside there to help kill germs and stuff, which is really cool. You will get a manual. You will get 30 waste drawer liners, because what's cool about this is not only does it clean itself, but it can also dump the litter all if you need to do a complete litter change, and it all falls into this drawer down here, so all you have to do is remove a bag. And then you get this amazing quick start guide to show you how to get set up. Very, very cool indeed. So the first thing that you're going to have to do, and I'm just going to take this top off real quick, it just lifts off, and you're going to install your litter mat. So you just drop it in just like so, and that's it. And what is great is when your pet comes out, most of the litter will get caught on this mat, and they come out here and they have to make that 90-degree turn. And there's also a privacy curtain there as well. Now what's so good about that is the fact that if you have dogs, like we have a small dog that loves to eat cat litter, she's going to be too big to be able to access this, and that's going to be the end of her kitty litter buffets, which is a very good thing indeed. So once you put that in, all you need to do next, let me bring you in closer. Right here is where you put your air freshener. You pinch these in, you pull this out, you get 2 scents that come with it, and you get Weekend Elegance and Snow Zephyr. I'm going to go for the Weekend Elegance. Rip open your pack, take out your little cartridge. You will put your cartridge inside right here, reinsert it, and you're good to go. And that is literally all that you have to do to get this up and running, other than plug it in. Then we're going to drop this back on top. As I said, here's that little privacy curtain. Very cool. Now we're going to come in, we're going to look at the control panel right here on the front. All right, you have the buttons. You have clean, you have trash. Clean is to clean the litter box, trash is to dump all the litter, and this is to recirculate the air, which is going to utilize the scent and the UV light to clean the air. Very cool. And then right here, if you slide this open, this is your litter drawer. And this is where you're going to remove your bag that's going to be full of litter when it's time to change. Very nice feature. Just like that. You get a green light, it's processing, and you're good to go once it turns back white. Now speaking of indicator lights, on the lid you do have different lights, and it tells you when the cloud, if it alternates colors, what each code means and what the solution is to that problem. So it's going to tell you what's wrong with it and how to fix it. And what else is great, which a lot of people might be wondering, is what happens if my pet's inside and it tries to automatically clean? Well, it has a sensor inside that detects your cat's weight, and it will not turn on while your cat is inside. But your cat must be at least 6 months or 3.3 pounds before it can use this litter box. All right, if we open the top right here, we're going to kind of switch camera views. All right, so now we're looking in the belly of the beast. You can see where your cat goes out that way. You can see how this round drum is open, and back over here you have a screen, and that's what filters out the cat lumps and all that stuff. But this is like a rubberized soft bottom, and then you have a max fill line right here. So you do not fill it up higher than this with litter, and once you put litter in there, you are ready for action. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to get some litter, and we're going to put it in there, and we're going to see this thing work. All right, so we're looking down into the top, and now on the screen you're going to see the app pull up, and that's because this does have an app that you can use, and you can see on the app that you can empty litter, deodorize now, which turns on the air purifier. You have key unlocked and you have smart settings. If you hit on smart settings, you have auto cleaning, how often it will do that. Once your cat leaves, scheduled cleaning, D&D mode, auto deodorizing. If you want that off or on, scheduled deodorizing on or off. Your control panel lighting off or on. And the weight units if you want to use pounds or kilograms. And then you see below on the work logs that it will actually give you a log as to how often your cat is going to the bathroom, which is really cool. And it tells you how many days of fragrance you have, how many times the litter box was visited that day, and the average time that your pet was in the toilet. Maybe it's TMI, but it's good to know these things because why not, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the clean button. All right, we're going to the first setup. So after you put litter in it and you power it up, it's going to do a self-check, which means it's basically going to do a self-cleaning, but it's also going to, I guess, calibrate the scale so it knows how much litter is in there, so it knows when your pet is in or out of the box. So we're going to let it go ahead and do this. All right, so now it has cleaned the litter, which there were no lumps in it, but we're going to put some lumps in it and test that in a moment. And you can see it's rotating back and, whoops, don't touch it while it's calibrating or it'll stop just like it just did. You can see all your clean litter making its way back in. How cool is that? Self-scooping litter box. Welcome to the future. And then it's going to come back to the open position. And there you go. Very cool. And you can see it's completed an auto odor deodorizing. So it keeps giving you statuses as to what the litter box is doing. And then, of course, if you wanted to dump the litter, you just hit the little trash can icon and you hit confirm. And now it's going to go around and it's going to dump all the litter. That's when you need to do a total litter change. And I can hear, or you might even be able to hear it too, all the litter falling into the drawer down below. And now you can see it says the device is resetting, meaning it's going back to the open position. And it should be nice and empty. And as you can see, indeed, it is empty. The litter is gone. Very, very cool. But what we're going to do is we're going to pull the drawer out so you can see how all the litter is trapped in the bag. The bag did seal right up shut, which is really cool. And it's nice to know that that function works. But I'm going to take this out. I'm going to dump it back in there. We're going to make some lumps and we're going to try a cleaning cycle and then look in the drawer one more time and then wrap this up. All right, so you can see I just emptied my bag. I'm not going to waste this bag. Just so I can show you real quick too, where the pins are, you just hook this over. You don't have to remove the pins. You just hook it over like that to set up a new bag. There you go, and just pull your bag down like so, and then slide it back in. Just like that. And it's ready for cleaning again. Let's make some lumps. All right, so we have clumps in there. It's official, it's been confirmed. I'm going to show you this door on top. I've been leaving it open. Of course, you would normally leave it closed. I just wanted you to be able to see what was going on. But if you try to close it hard, it won't. It has that slow close feature, so it is nice and smooth. But if you want to push it down, you can, of course. We're going to open it up. We're going to hit this button right here to clean. And we're going to see how well it cleans out our clumps. I did make 4 clumps, so we're going to see if we get 4 clumps out into the trash. That way we will know how well it cleans. I heard something fall down in there. We'll wait for it to rotate back and we'll check it out. This cat litter box is pretty intuitive. I didn't even read the instructions, to be honest. I just kind of looked at the quick start guide and I mean, it was just really, really easy to set up. So, but I do suggest that when you buy this, that you do go through the manual. That way you learn everything it is about this wonderful litter box. All right, we're going to open the drawer and we're going to slide this open, and we have 1, 2, don't worry, this was water, 3, and 4 clumps of litter. How cool is that? That means they got everything out of there that was in there. All right, we're going to shut that back, and we're good to go. So if you're looking for an amazing litter box that's going to make pet life so much easier, not only does it clean the litter, it dumps the litter, it bags it up for you, it deodorizes the air and acts as an air freshener to keep everything nice and clean. It has a privacy curtain. It has a litter catch pad on the inside to keep litter from coming outside of the box. And with the design it is, it's also designed to keep other pets from getting in and making the litter buffet, which is very good indeed, because that can be quite bad for your dogs. And overall, it's just a really, really cool litter box. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.